Hey everyone, Happy New Year! It's Maddie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are starting a brand new series today. It is how I'm redecorating my home on a budget. So if you're liking this content, please hit a like, please subscribe, follow along for more. I recorded this right before the new year and I deleted my footage.
Please, no! No!
That was a bummer. We're doing it again. I'm going to go through with you all the pieces in my home that I have bought over time and what we're doing to redecorate this home on a budget. How we're going about this is that we're slowly curating one piece at a time. So when we moved into this home, when we started to buy our furniture, we went with a very minimalistic theme. Definitely went with a beige home theme. I always wanted like a beige type of home. Minimalism was definitely at the forefront, and the reason why we chose that, not because it was trending for millennials. It's because I didn't want to get pieces that would date easily. I wanted pieces that would just stay in style. You could do small tweaks here and there to keep it on trend. Yeah, that was the main reason why we went with a beige home. Definitely so pieces wouldn't date and they would last a lot longer. I am dead scared of following trends when it comes to home decor because home decor is not cheap. Life isn't cheap. You know, ever since having my daughter though, she's been taking an interest to a lot of color. She's got a lot of toys, starting to get a lot of toys now. What better time than now? We have this course illustration that already has like pops of color in it, and it has elements of blue. So we chose the color Dodger Blue. We love that color. We think it's cool. We think it's fun. And we think it's a versatile type of color. So Dodger Blue it is. So because we're on a budget, Ikea is definitely the wave. We started this slow curation of home goods in about 2023. We definitely played it safe. So the first piece that we got was the Besta customizable shelving unit. We've got the white frames. We've got the wooden pinky beigey doors for the sides. We just kept the middle blank so we could display the cookbooks, we could display the records in there. So the main purpose of this unit was really to cover the back of the couch, and adding that shelving unit has really it's added depth to the living area, which was surprising. I never knew that a shelving unit could do that, but it does. It's also a space that gives us extra storage. And it definitely hides a lot of clutter. We've got my daughter's bottle sterilizer, her bottle warmer, I think her baby carriers are in there. It fits a lot of things. And yeah, it's just nice for her baby things to have a home. That came at a cost of $570. The next item that we got in 2023 was this Ikea mushroom lamp. I am not even going to attempt to pronounce these Ikea names because I'm going to say them wrong, and we're not doing it. Staying true to that minimalistic theme, we went with the beige mushroom lamp, which coordinates with the shelving unit, of course. Lamps. Oh my gosh. They're all over Instagram. They're all over the home decor pages. And in this house, we have a lot of downlights, and I never actually realized how harsh that lighting is, but lamps soften the lighting and make the entire living space super cozy. So this specific mushroom lamp came at a cost of $69. We got another lamp from Ikea. So this is in 2024 now when we started to purchase the next lot of items. So 2024, we purchased this blue table lamp. Again, another lamp to soften the lighting and make this living room cozy. Because we chose blue, we thought, you know what? It's a blue lamp. We got to cop it. So that's what we did. And it was 19 bucks. So how could we not? Next item, the Ikea viral orange donut lamp. So we were obsessed with this lamp for the longest time, but we didn't know if it would suit our house. Our biggest regret was not buying this lamp anytime sooner because it fits into this house so well. It looks cool. I love looking at it. It's always in the back of my outfit checks, my outfit of the day videos. You see it, it's always on because it looks good. And again, it's just added warmth. The orange has added warmth into this house, into this living room, and we love it. So that came at a cost of $99 and totally worth it. The blue shelving unit. So this was purely used as a decorative piece. Also used as a storage unit to display books, to put away Naya's books, and yeah, it coordinates with the lamp. It goes with our new theme, and that came at a cost of $65. So then next, we also purchased things that were not from Ikea. The first item was a mustache bowl chair dupe. So I thought this chair, when I saw it online, I thought it was the most fun, most cute chair, and I needed it. The fact that there's a dupe was really exciting to me. And this piece goes so well with our Ikea pieces, so that was a plus. It doesn't look too bulky. That was definitely our fear with this whole trend, this whole style of having mismatched furniture in the house. I didn't want to clutter up the space. But this chair was the piece that we definitely needed to give us the confidence to continue to roll with this new theme. It's just so fun and I love it. And Naya loves it too. She uses it to pull herself up and it's soft. It doesn't have like sharp corners where she could potentially hit her head. And so yeah, it's cute. It's cool. We actually got it on sale and I think we paid $170. Yeah, $170. The next item was from luxliving.com and it was our rug. So I think a rug is self-explanatory. We definitely needed a rug because Naya, she is, as I said, she's pulling herself up on furniture. She's crawling a lot. She wants to walk around. So the rug is nice and soft on her feet. Offers a soft landing for her. But yeah, we wanted to make this space super cozy and we needed that rug to make that happen. So we have the rug and the rug was cheap. Out of all honesty, it was 99 bucks. So that was a big plus. Ruby TV backlights. Oh my goodness. These lights, it's giving. This is where the party is at. These lights actually change color depending on what's on the TV, which is insane. I didn't even realize how the effects of cool lights behind the TV would up my movie watching experience. Jed really wanted these lights and I was like, whatever. Okay, if you say so, you're the movie guy. So the Govee TV lights, we got it from Amazon and we got them on sale for about $109.99. So as I mentioned earlier, we did this on a budget. And these are my budgeting tips. First tip is incrementally putting your money away. So I want you to list down everything you pay for in a year. I want you to list down all your expenses, your bills, your house bills, phone bills, insurance bills, car, fuel, whatever. List it down, list your income, and I want you to calculate the money that you have left. Allocate some of that money in a separate bank account. This can be like your free expense account. or your house account. So I love buying things at the end of the year because it's Christmas, we're going into a new year. It's a refresher to have a newly decorated home, newly decorated space. So I use the whole year to save up and treat myself at the end of the year. For those of you who are brand new to budgeting and you get pretty overwhelmed with it, I love the 70-30 rule. So that is live on 70% of your income and put away 30% of your income. Put that away in savings. That is a good way to start if you're totally new to it. Incrementally putting money away is definitely the top tip. That is the key. So then you don't overspend. So use the sales as your target dates to shop. You know, you've got your end of financial year sales, you've got your Black Friday sales, you've got your Boxing Day sale. After you've saved up what you can, take advantage of those sales. Take advantage of that time you've used to save up. I can totally understand the urge to want to impulse buy home items, especially ones that are trending because it's in your face, Instagram, TikTok, and I get it. But I think it's so nice to wait on things. If you have time to think about things, you have time to save up as well, and you happen to get that item at a discounted price, well, that's even better. So yeah, slowly curate. Take your time with it. Make sure the pieces you invest in are the pieces that you need. Try to stop yourself from impulse buying. I know it can be hard at times, but yeah, it's definitely worthwhile to slowly curate to make sure that you have the home that you truly want and love. And yeah, these are my budgeting tips. Thank you so much for watching. If you managed to make it to the end, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye!